Hello friends, this is Veer from Saraswati Classes, Narod, Ahmedabad. Friends, as we all know that arithmetic progression chapter is going on of standard 10 mathematics. Friends, in previous lecture we have discussed some basic concepts of arithmetic progression and also the basic formulas regarding an and Sn, nth term and sum of nth term in previous lecture. Friends, today we are going to find whether the given series is in the arithmetic progression or not. Friends, as we all know that when there is an arithmetic progression, they have a fixed value to add after the first value to make us perfect series, right friends? So according definition we have seen earlier on, the same thing we will judge over here and decide whether the given series is an arithmetic progression or not. You can see over here question number 8 given in exercise 5.1, minus 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2 in each case, and it is to be said that find out whether they are in arithmetic progression. If yes, then find additionally more 3 terms. Alright, so start with here. You have given a, the first term, that is minus 1 upon 2. Now to judge whether this is given in the arithmetic progression or not, what we have to do, we should have to find out d for common difference by 2 or 3 times, so that we may judge whether this is in the arithmetic progression or not. You can see your formula for d is equal to a2 minus a1. Now what do you mean a2 minus a1? So initially a means a1, the first term, a2 means second term, a3 means third term, a4 means fourth term. Similarly go on over there. So we'll find a2 minus a1. Your a2 is equal to minus 1 upon 2 and a1 is also minus 1 upon 2, but between them there is a minus symbolic value. After adding and subtracting, you will find something minus 1 upon 2 minus minus plus 1 upon 2. It will be cancelled and get a value that is 0. Similarly, we will find another difference, common difference, a3 minus a2, and from a3 minus a2 we will get the same difference 0. It indicates that the given question is in the arithmetic progression. Okay friends, now after calculating this one and after confirming this one that this is in the arithmetic progression, we have demanded another 3 more terms to calculate. We have already given first term, second term, third term, fourth term, right? Now it's term 2, find out the fifth term. For that the concept is a plus 4d. Now a remains 1 upon 2 minus plus 4 and d stands for 0, 4 0 0. So it will become same minus 1 upon 2. For the fifth term the same value, sixth term the same value. In this way we will find another more 3 terms and we will find the same value minus 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2. As we all know that 0 is a kind of number to whom we multiply with anyone will get the same result. Okay friends, this is all about your arithmetic progression of this question. Now we will take another one question. 9th question is very much easy. See 10 number, a, then 2a, then 3a, then 4a, and how we judge this is in the arithmetic progression or not. For that just getting judgment we will find d1 and d2, right? So getting the d1, same formula, a2 minus a1, over there 2a minus a1 करेंगे तो you will get a only, and d2 is equal to a3 minus a2. थर्ड टर्म में से आप सेकेंड टर्म को भी माइनस कर दोगे तो आपको डिफरेंस मिल जाएगा, सेम a मिलेगा. So your difference is equal. It means this is in the arithmetic progression, and another 3 more terms are to be set to find out. So we will calculate same way manner, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d. So you have given up to a plus 3d. The same value is given over here, a, 2a, 3a and 4a. Now it is a plus 4d. Now how to find a plus 4d? So a, that is fixed a, but 4d, d stands for a. So 4 1 ja 4, 4a plus 1, it will be 5a. So similarly, after adding next one, we'll get 5a, 6a and 7a. So this is all about your arithmetic progression. Friends, we'll see the next question. Now, next question is question number 11, where you are given a square, a cube, a4, dot, and it is to be said to find out the arithmetic progression. See, the first term a is a. D is to find out, formula is there, a2 minus a1, a2 is there, a square minus a. So getting the common between both of them, you will get a, then bracket a minus 1. So this will be the a minus 1. Another common difference is to find out a3 minus a2. What is a3? a3 का वैल्यू हमारे पास पड़ा हुआ है, that is a32 minus a2 की वैल्यू a स्क्वायर है. डिफरेंस में तो क्या दोनों में कॉमन निकलेगा a स्क्वायर और अंदर तीन में से दो बार निकाल लिया है कॉमन, एक बचा a माइनस 1. अब a माइनस 1 यहाँ पर भी है, a माइनस 1 यहाँ पर भी है, लेकिन यहाँ सिर्फ a है और यहाँ पर a स्क्वायर है. तो दोनों सेम नहीं होने से कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम नहीं मिला. इट मींस दिस इज नॉट द अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गिवन टू यू इन रूट 2, root 8, root 18, root 32, and where you have to find the arithmetic progression or not. Sequence a is there, root 2, d1 is there, a2 minus a1, your a2 is equal to root 8 minus a1 is there, a root 2. root 8 को ओपन करते हैं तो 4 2 is 8, 4 खुलेगा तो क्या हो जाएगा, बाहर 2 आ जाएगा. इट विल 2 root 2 माइनस root 2. अब प्लस माइनस का कॉन्सेप्ट है, सामने रूट है उधर भी रूट है, तो रूट 2 क्या ले लिया हमने, कॉमन ले लिया. सो अंदर साइड 2 minus 1 विल बी देयर, तो दो में से एक लेस करेंगे तो 1 ही रह जाएगा. रूट 2 का 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, रूट 2. ये आपका फर्स्ट कॉमन डिफरेंस आया. नाउ टाइम टू कैलकुलेट सेकंड कॉमन डिफरेंस. d2 is equal to a3 minus a2. a3 is equal to 18. 18 भी खुलता है एंड a2 8 भी खुलेगा. कैसे, तो 18 को तोड़ेंगे तो 9 2 is 18 एंड रूट 8 को ओपन करेंगे तो 4 2 is 8. अब 9 का ओपन होके बाहर आएगा 3 root 2 और 4 स्क्वायर के अंदर है, बाहर निकालेंगे तो 2 root 2. दोनों में कॉमन क्या आ रहा है, रूट 2 कॉमन निकाल लिया. 3 में से 2 कैंसिल किया, आई मीन डिफरेंस निकाला तो 1, तो रूट 2 into 1, so it will be root 2 only. Then after they have demanded to find another 3 arithmetic progression. So it is already given a plus d, a plus 2d, then a plus 3d. Now it's time to calculate next 3, but a plus 4d, a plus 5d, a plus 6d. So here it is a plus 4d. How to calculate a plus 4d? You can see from there. A plus 4d is equal to a is there, that is root 2 plus 4d. d is root 2 also. So what is to be done? So 4 root 2 and it is only 1 root 2. So 4 plus 1 5 root 2. This is also an answer, but you can put in another another way. root 5 outer column है, जब वो root के अंदर जाएगा so it will be root inner side 25. Now already there is 2, so 25 into 2 it will be 50. Similarly a plus 5d, where a stand for root 2 and 5 is there 5 and d is also root 2. So 5 root 2 and 1 root 2 it will be 6 root 2. 6 outer column है, जब root के अंदर जाएगा तो it will be 6 6 is 36 and inside already 2 is there too. 36 into 2 72 in a root side. Then a plus 6d, so a is there, that is root 2 and 6d, d is also root 2. So 6 plus 1 7d, 7 root 2. 7 को inner sides में convert करते हैं, 7 7 is 49 root 2. So it will be 49 to 2. So it will be 98. So in this way we have found the values of another 3 more terms in arithmetic progression of this question. Now question number 13 is to be taken. Root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12 is given, where they are known as a1, a2, a3 and a4. Now how to judge whether they are in arithmetic progression or not, we will judge after finding d1 and d2. Now that d1 is equal to a2 minus a1, your a1 is equal to root 3, so root 6 minus root 3, you cannot getting difference between both of them directly. So we can make some factors. 3 to the 6 and root 3 is there too, root 3 is there too. The root 3 is taken as common, but inner side bracket root 2 minus root 1 or khali simple 1. So this is the basic first difference you found. Now the same difference is to find on the other side. If you get the same difference, it will be known as the arithmetic progression. We have decided over here d2 is equal to a3 minus a2. Your a3 is equal to 9. 9 will open and will convert into only 3. Minus it will be root 3 into 2. So there is a common thing in between both of them, that is root 3. But here it is not given to you in such manner. There will be no common difference that the difference between both of the steps. So that's why it is not to be treated as arithmetic progression. So friends, I hope this is all about to find out the arithmetic progression series. If I hope whatever I have discussed over here you understand everything. फ्रेंड्स, जो तुम्हें वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करो, शेयर करो एंड सब्सक्राइब करो. मल्टी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय, सी यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.